Indian TV celebrities who got married recently. Shakti Arora and Neha Saxena. Popular TV actor Shakti Arora's marriage with Neha got delayed for some problem, but later they secretly got married with each other on 6th April 2018. Gaurav Chopra and Hitisha Chiranda. Popular Indian TV actor and Bigg Boss participant got married secretly with Hitisha Chiranda. They got married on 19th February 2018 and Gaurav decided to keep it a secret as all these attentions were new for Rishita then. Jai Bhanushali and Mahi Vij. Popular Indian television stars Mahi and Jai were open about their relationship, but they chose to get married secretly on 11th November 2011. Krishna Abhishek and Kashmira Shah. Famous comedian of Indian TV, Krishna never hid his relationship with popular actress Kashmira. But they decided to get married secretly on July in 2013 in Las Vegas, where they were on a vacation. Jai Soni and Pooja Shah. Sasural Genda Phul actor Jai Soni secretly got married with Pooja Shah. Their marriage was an arranged one. Jai and Pooja got married on 18 February 2014 in a secret wedding because Jai belongs from a conservative family. Rajat Tokas and Shrishti Nayyar. Popular Indian TV actor Rajat Tokas married his longtime girlfriend Shrishti Nayyar on 30th of January in the year 2015, which shocked his fans. Vatsal Seth and Ishita Datta. Tarzan famed actor Vatsal and Tanushri Datta's sister Ishita Datta married each other secretly at ISKCON temple in Juhu, Mumbai. Their marriage was a secret affair, with some prominent Bollywood celebs attending their marriage like Ajay Devgan and Kajol. Ayaz Khan and Amish Khan. Ayaz Khan had an arranged marriage with Amish Khan and it was a secret marriage. Ayaz's close friend Bipasha and Karan Singh Grover knew about their marriage. Paridhi Sharma and Tanmay Saxena. Popular television actress who played Jodha on screen secretly got married with Ahmedabad-based Tanmay Saxena. They secretly got married in 2011 and she kept it a secret because the makers of her show asked her to keep it a secret. Soumya Tandon and Saurav Devendra Singh. Soumya secretly tied the knots with her longtime boyfriend Saurav Devendra Singh in a private ceremony in Mumbai. Shefali Sharma and Varun Sethi. Bani Ishq Da Kalma famed actress Shefali got married with the creative producer of her show, Varun Sethi. They secretly got married on 3rd September in 2014. Sara Khan and Ali Merchant. Sara got married with her longtime boyfriend Ali on the show Bigg Boss, but we were unaware that they were secretly married before that. Sara and Ali got married in the year 2009 with their families and close friends, but they got separated later. Avinesh Rekhi and Raisa. Madhuwala famed actor Avinesh Rekhi was married with Raisa even before entering the TV industry. The actor got married in 2010 and he said that he did not tell anyone about it because no one asked him about his marriage. Rohit Khurana and Neha. Uttaran famed actor Rohit was already married to Neha before entering TV industry, but no one knew this. Dhruv Bhandari and Shruti Merchant. Handsome Indian television actor Dhruv Bhandari got married with his longtime girlfriend Shruti at a destination wedding in the year 2017. Angad Hasija and Parneet. Sapna Babulka famed actor Angad was secretly married with Parneet and their marriage was an arranged one. Angad hid this fact even from the makers of his show, as he did not want to affect his fan following with the news of marriage. Narayani Shastri and Tony. Popular TV actress Narayani secretly got married with her longtime boyfriend Tony, Aditya Reddy and Natasha Sharma. Na Aana Is Des Laado fame star Aditya and Natasha had a very open relationship, but later it was revealed that they were already married. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.